Hey guys, welcome back to the garden. I want to show you something that I think is really beautiful. It's something you also see often in abandoned places, that how nature takes over, and I always think it looks so beautiful when plants are growing in or on man-made structures, slowly reclaiming. And this of course is not a reclaiming, it's just because we didn't move this bench in the winter time. So all these lunaria, annua, they are just growing besides and on and through the bench, and I think it looks so pretty. And I mean, I could have weeded them away and reclaimed the bench, but I thought actually I felt like just leaving it like that, and then once they finish flowering, I might reclaim the bench. I might not. I think actually, because the seed heads from these lunaria annua, they are so beautiful. These white, thin, round seed heads. They are super graphical, and I think this bench is actually, maybe it's just going to be an art installation, and I'm leaving it out this next winter because I want to see it with the seed heads. So yeah, I think that's the decision. That's accidental beauty, extra gift from nature this time of year. And I think they look amazing. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you later.